Hello and welcome. Today we're headed to Cline Ranch, one of Colorado's most endangered places. We're going to check up on the restoration process, revitalizing this historic site. I'm Taylor Canny, and this is the South Park Heritage Experience.
I'm Kim Grant and I'm with Colorado Preservation, Inc. We're a statewide nonprofit historic preservation organization, and we work with communities all over Colorado to preserve important historic sites like the Cline Ranch. These places tell important stories about the settlement of the area and how people lived in earlier times out here. And this particular property is architecturally unique in that it's a Pueblo revival style, which is rather rare for ranch properties. And it's also kind of typical in the sense that it was built by a relatively wealthy man out of Denver, Foster Cline Sr., who was the deputy district attorney a couple different times. And he never actually lived here full time, but he came out here and he had people work the ranch for him, and his family spent a lot of time out here. So that whole story, part of Park County's heritage, is just really important to preserve, so future generations know why this place was built and the stories behind it. I'm the Endangered Places Program Coordinator, and we have 117 sites around the state of Colorado where we work with communities and local groups to preserve important buildings, sites, landscapes, and things like that have value to the community and give our communities their identity and their distinctive personalities.
That's it for today. As always, please share or like the videos so more people can discover the beauty and wonder that South Park has to offer. Until next time.